Hello, Darin Martineau here, and in this video, I'm just going to give you a little tip on performing close-up magic at the table. Now, this is a tip that I learned from Alex Elmsley, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So, when you perform on the table, a lot of times it's hard when you can't reach and stuff like that. So, I've got a stack of about 4 books right here, and what I do is I'm going to sit on top of these books. Now, what this will do is it will elevate me up much higher so that I'm not without the books. Okay, if I do it without the books, I'll take the books away. Okay, see what's going to happen is it's going to make it harder to do sleights because my hands are kind of crammed like that. So take about 3 or 4 books. You're going to sit on them. I know it seems silly, but you can do this in your videos of your performances or when you're sitting down and performing at some point in time. Because what happens is it allows a downward angle to make angles for sleights, such as say we're doing a pass here or whatever we're going to do, doing a Paul type of pass. What's going to happen is it's just going to make it easier on your hands because they're not going to be cramped like that. So let's say we're doing a pass, something like this. See, it kind of gives you it elevates you, literally elevates your body up so that you can perform your magic properly without being in a cramped position. That's a little tip for sitting down magic. Okay, this is my original effect that I want to show you here. Okay, I have a bottle. Okay, I take the bottle cap. I'm just going to set it down like this. I have the spectator hold on to the bottle. I put it in their hand, but I'll just use my hand here. I'm going to take the cap like this. Okay, I'm going to try and push it right inside the bottle. Okay, watch. Just like that. Okay, it's in there. There's no way to get it out. Isn't that amazing? Okay, here's my performance for the cap and bottle. Okay, we're going to take the cap here. Okay, now watch. Alright, I'll show you the bottle's empty. Watch. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to tap it. 1, 2, 3. It's right there, as you can see. Can't come out. Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and in this video I'm going to show you my new membership site for Master Magic Mentors membership. I have many different memberships, so this one is $5.99 a month, and it's for beginners, intermediate, and advanced magicians. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what kind of magic we have in here. We have new card magic, new coin magic, jumbo magic, we have staged magic, all kinds of different things in here. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what's inside here when you get access. So I have all kinds of video tutorials here. I'm also putting ebooks in here. This is 202 Methods of Forcing by Ted Anman. 10 Cards of Pocket, Gambler versus Psychic versus Magician. That's one of my self-working card miracles. On and on and on and on. So I'm just going to go through here and we're going to show you. You get access to all this incredible magic. See, I show card forces. I show, these are video tutorials. And this is for anybody ages 8 and up, okay? So you're going to learn all kinds of card sleights, card routines, coin magic. I'm putting hundreds of videos in here, adding videos in here every single day. This just goes on and on and on and on. I have my color changes, my half and half eclipse color change that's been used by Shin Lim. Many different things inside here. Coin magic, many magic that I've learned from my mentor, Alan Ackerman. This is an invisible deck with a regular deck. So what I've done is I've marked these, see whether they're easy, intermediate, or advanced magic in here. These are video tutorials. I'm also putting in books, and this just goes on and on and on. So join today. You'll get access. It's just $5.99 a month, and this is really incredible magic system. So if you're ready to learn new magic, join today. Thank you very much.